We had to pick the leading shops where people would go and people would buy lots of their stuff from. That's why we got the distributors in, and they played a vital part to us. We have information, of course, from the company's office, from Exim Bank, from JBDC, and all of that we put together. Generators had to be given to several businesses in St. James. We were looking at ordinary Jamaican businesses getting back on their feet so that ordinary people could go and buy their stuff. You can't continue to give out care packages forever. People must get back to businesses. And there's a reason why we do that. The supply chain, which you will see there, but I'm going to talk about it right here, is vital. But the supply chains were cut in 7 parishes. So our job in the ministry is to get those stores back up and running. And because of that, we know that the supply chain will move, because if the goods are in the warehouse, they're no good to anybody. If they're in their sub-distributors, there's no good to anybody. They have to get to the retail stores, and the retail stores have to be able to have power to run their business. Then people can buy. That chain is important. You'll hear more about how the people are going to get to buy, because when that works well, the revenues come into the Ministry of Finance that we need to build back hospitals and roads and make sure our children are going back to school.